In this email tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure Windows Live Mail to connect to our email servers. To begin with, I'm going to go to the Accounts tab and then click on Email. In the email address field, simply type in your email address. My email address is johnsmith@example.au.com. For the password field, just type in the password you typed in when you created your email address. For the display name, type in the name that you want recipients to see when they receive your emails. After you've done typing in those three fields, select Manually Configure Server Settings and then click Next. The Configure Server Settings page will allow you to select a POP server type or an IMAP server type. Our mail servers support both types of email accounts, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be selecting a POP account. For the incoming server address field, I'm going to type in pop.mydomainname. Because my domain is example.au.com, I'll be typing in pop.example.au.com. For the outgoing server information, I'm going to be typing in smtp.mydomainname. Because my domain is example.au.com, I'll be typing in smtp.example.au.com. Our outgoing mail server does require authentication, so I'm going to tick Requires Authentication. We also recommend using the port number of 587 for our outgoing mail servers. For the username, you're going to want to type in your full email address. So as you saw on the previous page, my email address is johnsmith@example.au.com. Depending on the settings you select, the port numbers and SSL options may vary from this video tutorial. If you wish to use IMAP or SSL, simply read through our support articles to find out which port numbers and what settings you should be using. Once you've configured the email account as you wish, click on the Next button. The email account is now created. To test it out, I'm going to go to the Home tab, click Email Message, and I'm going to send myself an email to see if I can connect to the server for sending as well as for receiving. To check my mail, I'm going to click Send Receive, and I can see that I've received my test email. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.